Hindala hare ho, hindala la, hindala hare hare, hindala hare ho, hindala la. At least kasabala serischen ganados na paige su gesurige demonie. Hindala hare ho, hindala la, hindala hare hare.
Fáilte go taispeanna Uist. Welcome to the virtual St Kilda exhibition. Anna here, yev shiv Shalian is Fuaman Uist. Futa shiv Eisteach the Stadian, Kjol is Oran for Vuncha the Nacha. Here you can step back into the sights and sounds of St Kilda and listen to stories, music and song from some of the people who live there. A Uist da ichet míle a benjavola zijn Hillenjen Shear, Shane daatje is immeletje aan de bedichten a haun. St Kilda is a group of islands lying 41 miles west of Benbecula in Scotland's Outer Hebrides. It is the remotest part of the British Isles. Ha coach Hillenjen aan de Uist ulle geleed, saai, borderai, doen, levendig is een Jillan a smoe Uistje for na Uistje fuddach. St Kilda consists of 5 islands, Soai, Borderai, Doon, Levenish, and the largest of the islands where the people lived, Hurta itself. Ha fianish archeologisch akin gan rotunia a fuddach at Hurstje vo aum ro echterel. Ha achkin vo lien na hua a shelton gar of slogaun vo huun kehed sa koik mile bliana edash. Archaeological evidence shows that there have been people on Hursta since prehistoric times, although it is not known exactly when people first discovered the islands. Finds such as simple Bronze Age tools show that there were people here 4,000 to 5,000 years ago. An the noch kier gia kerret sich hier, chai Taigh i the janule úth a lorach of a collach gan roa volin na hiaran. In 1844, an earth house thought to be linked with the Iron Age was discovered, which was at least 2,000 years old. Ha fianish aun garod na lochanich aun kutjach, le seichen is brotjachen. Evidence of Norse occupation has also been discovered in the form of vessels and brooches. An Jew ha hirst a misk Fichit a kehet aachachan san dúgal a het innova dúchas na crinne a chosnach a húv lochan natara is cultura. Today St Kilda is one of only 24 places around the world to be awarded World Heritage status for both its natural and cultural significance. Han Hillenjen edamal is on an stachgan mara for the villanjouwen is arstes and dúich the eichkin. Sy had sin stach an aramin, kiat nuchet sa hun meter, is stach lí, a kiat tichet sa koik meter. Had kutjach nan dachi ik an adaf a smuas an dúl de húladan, a ha an jetachug an hin is borderai. St Kilda is also known for its high sea cliffs. Stach an aramin is 191 meters, and stach lí is 165 metres. These are the highest sea stacks in Britain. They are also home to the world's largest colony of gannets, who nest there and on Borderay. Han tashpanach seo a torsúl is beth nan dúine a bheith fudach a thurste sa nuiv líon díoch. Chimicald is och kiet díoch sa céad fichet. Lichet bliana must a gach munchet an arche an the nui kiet díoch. Dichet. This exhibition is focusing on the lives of the people living on St Kilda in the 19th century, around the time of the 1880s, 50 years before the evacuation of the island in 1930. Le Jeffer Runyon the Chlar for the Chief Jeffer Rutten a Yano, Marsul a Horstir Colasavalla, le Xbox, a to Cusperan Sabich Answer Oog, Acket, agus brúchach a rúdsibich a halasach is an parach fisrachi. Agus a videón aun at cusperan leit slange, agus eoin, agus futer eisteach the stadion is ceol van jelan kutjach. By selecting different options from the menu screen, you can do different things. For example, exploring the layout of the village in 3D virtual environment using Xbox controller. You can click on any glowing objects you may find within the model for more information. You can also watch videos on different topics including health and birds, and listen to stories and music from the isle.
Indala